Hello YouTube, Morning Woodsman here, and this is my BMX bike check. So what I have here today is a Diamondback Pro Series 2012 20-inch BMX bike. Light, it's like 20 pounds or something. I don't know. I think it's light. And so we'll start from the top. We have Diamondback chromely handlebars, and we have trail grips. They're really nice and soft. And brakes, we have these Tektro, like TLK something or others, and then like a 64 centimeter, not centimeter, I don't know, brake line, and it goes all the way down. And they're really nice brakes. I like them a lot. I think they stop on a dime actually. They're pretty good. Next we go down to the stem. It's actually a Diamondback stem. I spray painted it because the black was getting chipped, so I just sanded it down, and it actually looks pretty good for painting it. These bars are 25 inches wide with a 7.5 inch rise. Yeah, I like them, and they're perfect for me. Like it. I don't know. They're perfect for bar spins, 360s and stuff, and 180s. They're real comfortable, just riding. They're just like in the perfect spot for it. Yeah. But alright, let's go down to the two forks. Forks are Diamondback Chrome Leaf forks. Came with the bike. I think they're like a pound or 2 pounds or something. And it's pretty heavy, I guess. Some bikes are, I don't know, whatever. I think this bike's light for me, at least. So get these out of my way. So we'll go down to the tire. My tires are the front one's a Kenda 20-inch, 20 by 2.25. I like them nice and fat. I went mudding, or not mudding, just went dirt trails. But yeah. And then my back is like I don't even know what kind it is, but it's just like a bubbly tire almost, and I like it. It's real round, so you get like you slide more, and it like helps you when if you're going down a ramp and you land sideways. The grip on the side, like not used as much, and it'll stop you, but you can just lean it a tad bit more, like more down the ramp, and it'll slide with you until you want it to stop. You just hit the brake and then it stops. So there's the tires. My rims are Alienation PVR, I think, rims. And then I don't know how many spokes, you can count them if you want. But yeah, same with the back. Alienation. Black rims. I like them. Light, durable. I want to get different rims to match this paint. I want to get like this type of blue, this powder blue rim up here with a black tire, and like this type of color, like blue wall or baby blue wall in the back with the black rim, just to like it looks sweet. So we'll go down to the cranks. These cranks I got off of my my racing bike. They're light, and they're Diamondback, because I'm pretty sure they make more racing bikes than anything. But These pedals are just Diamondback trails, and sprocket is a 22 something or other, and the back is 10 tooth. I don't know what type of chain this is, but it's pretty good. I don't know why it does this. If you guys could leave a comment or something. Here, I'll bring it closer to the camera. My chain is real tight when right here. It's like real tight. Right there. See, it's like can't even move it tight. But then when I move it a little bit, then it's real loose. If you go like all the way around, it's like deathly loose. Then it gets real tight right where that one is, and then you go over here, loose as ever. But then you just go barely even half away, and then it gets tight again. So if you guys could leave a comment of why that is, maybe like the cranks don't fit the sprocket or something. I don't know, but yeah, that is my bike. Whatever, rate, comment, subscribe, and peace.